Like that. The bubble coming towards you. Yes. You coming? Oh, did you see the fish jump?
Oh!
Good job!
Mario. Ah! My fish! Come on! Come on!
Oh! Good boy, Andrew!
Fish on there. Look, right there. There's your fish. Here it comes. Feel it pulling? Feel up a little. That's it. Just hold it like this now. Hold it with 2 hands and just hold this up. Oh, where is he? Oh, look at that.
Good boy, Andrew.
Careful, careful. Keep the tip up.
Keep it up. There you go. That's enough. Hold on like this with 2 hands. Daddy's got the net.
Get it, Daddy.
Hold on.
Don't let go, sweetie.
Hold on.
Hold on. Don't let the fishy go.
Hold on. Hold this up.
Hold the tip
I
up.
want you to feel big muscles. Big muscles. Oh, yeah!
Yay! Okay, good job! All right, Andrew!
Yeah.
It's mine. It's just like the same as mine, Mom.
It is! Good job, Andrew! Say yay!
Come take a look at your fish.
Oh, wow.
Hey! Mine looks
That's
right.
okay. They can be friends.
How did that even happen?
Maybe they're mother and son.
Look at that!
And hooked. Perfect. Want to come give him a kiss?
Beautiful! Wow!
What yuck?
Abby!
What yuck?
Good job, Andrew!
Do you have a dog?
Yes.
Yes.
Does he roll around in the dirt?
Yeah.
Do you kiss him anyways?
Yeah.
What do you wash your hands with?
Just water.
Water. What does the fish live in?
Water.
Who's cleaner, the fish or the dog?
Fish.
Exactly.
Can I catch another fish, please?
Oh, I think that's
I
enough,
catch a
sweetie.
fish. No, I want to catch another fish.